idiot.
And him a the fool.
As long as you laugh, little with is cool. Calm down on the water, man.
Now tell me what to do.
Alright. What happened to you?
Girl problem, man.
Girl problem?
Yeah.
What do you mean girl problem?
The other day, you know, we see two girls a walk. One of them well sexy. Me just give her the look. Direct eye contact.
So what happened?
And the other girl pick up the look.
Oh God. So what happened?
You me nice, me there with her.
The girl you're there with, I never see you want. You're a real idiot.
No, she won't left me.
She wanna left you?
Yeah, man.
What make she wanna left you?
She said me I look somebody on the side.
So, how all this happen?
You know, she said me cross, yeah.
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one.
And if you're new, please subscribe.
Little Wizards.